Hello, I'm Shanti Francis, one of the maths tutors at ClassRx. ClassRx is an online, one-to-one, STEM-focused private tutoring company. I have a degree in maths, and for the past 14 years I have been a maths tutor. For the past 5 years I've been the main maths tutor at a secondary school. I teach maths from Year 6 to GCSEs. In the next few minutes, I will demonstrate how easy and simple it is to expand single brackets, which is one of the important topics in algebra for GCSE. So here we have some examples on expanding single brackets. So in example 1, we have a 2 outside of this bracket. This 2 is timesing everything in the bracket. It is timesing the x, and it is also timesing the 3. So 2 times x gives us 2x. If there is a plus here, we write a plus. If there was a minus, we write a minus. And 2 times 3 gives us 6. So our answer overall is 2x plus 6. Let's look at example 2. In example 2, we have a 3 outside the bracket, and again it is timesing everything in the bracket. It is timesing this 2x, and it is also timesing this 1. So 3 times 2x would give us 6x. This time there's a minus, so we write a minus. 3 times 1 is 3. So our answer overall is 6x minus 3. So now I'm going to look at 2 more examples, this time not with a number on the outside, but with a letter on the outside. So this time we have x times another x, and also x times this 4. So x times another x. Be really careful here because a lot of students think that this is 2x, but remember when we do something times itself we are getting x squared. So this gives us x squared there is a plus, so we write a plus, and x times 4 gives us 4x. So overall our answer is x squared plus 4x. Let us have a look at the last example. So example 4, so getting a little bit more tricky. This time we've got numbers and letters on the outside. But just as before, that 2x on the outside is timesing everything in the bracket. It is timesing the 4x, and it is also timesing this 3. So 2x times 4x, so the 2 times the 4 gives us 8, and as we discussed before, x times x gives us x squared. There is a minus, so I write a minus, and 2x times 3, so the 2 times the 3 gives us 6, so we get 6x. So our final answer is x squared minus 6x. Okay, so let's look at a worked exam question together. So in this question taken from a past GCSE paper, we are asked to expand 4 brackets 3x plus 5. So let's get our arrows. So we've got this 4 timesing the 3x, and also the 4 timesing the 5. 4x times 3x gives us 12x. There's a plus, so we write a plus. 4 times 5 is 20. So we have got part A completed. Now part B is a little bit more tricky because we have got 2 brackets going on with a minus in the middle. So let's answer this one together. So dealing with the first bracket, 3 times x, and also 3 times this 4. So 3 times x is 3x. There's a minus, so we have a minus. 3 times 4 is 12. Now let's be careful here, because this isn't just 2 times x, it is minus 2 times x. So here we've got minus 2 times x and minus 2 times a positive 5. So minus 2 times x is minus 2x. Minus 2 times positive 5 is minus 10. So altogether we have got 3x minus 12 minus 2x minus 10. So to get our final answer mark, we need to tidy this up. So let us combine these. If we had 3 x's here and we're taking away 2 x's, we are left just with 1x, and we just write x. We don't need to write the 1 at the front. Let's look at the numbers now. So with the numbers, we have got minus 12. This minus belongs to this 12. Minus 12, minus 10. If we add minus 12 minus 10, we get minus 22. So overall, our answer is x minus 22, and we get our 3 marks. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to contact us or have any more questions, please visit www.classrx.com or drop us a line at hello@classrx.com, mentioning my name, Mrs. Francis, in the subject line.